is found there. Just take a trip across the river. It's cooling to your feet, your mind, body, and soul.
Hey guys, well, here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited today. This is a different kind of video. I'm at the Rasta Indigenous Village here in St. James. I'm going to take you along with me. Stay tuned.
Invite you all, if you have not already been, to our sculpture garden, which is to my right. The sculpture garden has pieces from our very own artisans. These pieces are not the pieces you're going to see in the craft market. They're not the pieces you're going to see just buying and selling. These are the artists' have brought their very special pieces to share with us today. So we also have the artisans, and two of whom are leaving now, so I just want to do the introductions. So we have John Stoney from Cooper's Pen in Trelawney, and next to him is Jim Carey. Both very, very established, esteemed, together probably over 100 years of carving, if you put their experience together. They have brought their pieces. They're in the middle over there. Please go and have a look. As you go over into the garden, you're going to meet Abdel Mason, otherwise known as Bronzo from Green Island. He's also over there. Mr. Nathaniel Nelson, who has just arrived and setting up. We have Errol Lewis. And I know Rohan Cunningham, also over in the middle area. Please, before anybody starts moving, and just spend a moment to look at the work, ask them about their inspirations and motivations, show a little appreciation. Irits is about us identifying ourselves in a space that we have created. We really hope you appreciate and love and enjoy the space that we have here, and feel that you too can share with your particular art and whatever it is that you bring to us here in the village. This is a sharing space, it's a conversation space. It's a space where we know if you work with the natural environment around us, the respect for humanity, people and each other, this is the space for you. So we give thanks for all your presence, for all of the people who are selling their products. I'm going to start with Vegans Utopia. Vegans Utopia, cashew cheese, please taste it. Their own recipe, made with natural products. Next to Vegans Utopia, indigenous skin foods, soaps made from the herbs in the garden, all natural products, and we can tell you about these things that you're seeing around here. Moving right along, we have Raphael with his oils, all natural pressed oils. We are going to have some mento music, and I see the mento people over there. Welcome, big thanks. Enjoy the space, make yourselves at home. B-spot with sip and a variety of food over the other side there. Untitled Spice Kitchen, our Rastafari Indigenous Village kitchen, with all the food here being served up. Delicious Ital meals any day of the week. We work by word of mouth, and of course our social media. So we want you to tell your friends what a wonderful vibration this is. No, don't we agree? Everybody who's here today, it's just our space.
All right, guys. Well, we're still at the village, the Rasta Indigenous Village, and meeting up with Sienna. Sienna is business owner of apparently all natural food products. I'm gonna ask her a little about what she does. So Sienna, nice to meet you. Tell me about what you do here. What do you have here?
Welcome to the B-Spot Healing Kitchen. We focus mainly on vegan and alkaline meals. So vegan meals are basically meals that are all plant-based, no animal products, no processed foods, wholesome natural foods that are found here in Jamaica. It's 90% alkaline as well. Alkaline meaning that these foods are not hybrid and they come from Dr. Sabi's food list of what to eat. So we're here every last Sunday at Irits, where we cater. We normally do vegan sips. Right, today we have muffins. We also will be doing a full spread come next month at Irits. Catering, pop-ups and blendings, we do that as well. You can go on our Instagram page at B-Spot Healing Kitchen. Reach us at 876-773-8346. Reach out to us and we'll cater to your event. Once you're looking for vegan catering, vegan meals, clean meals, you can call B-Spot.
Nice. All right, I want to look at the food. This is the fun part. over on the other side where the art is being promoted, the woodwork. And I'm with Jimmy Carey. He's one of the artisans there. Jimmy, listen, love.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, man. Tell me about what you're doing here.
Well, I here to display my pieces.
Yes, yes. And tell me about this one. This is a beautiful piece, man. Tell me about
This piece, it tackles people's choice come from dogwood wood. And my wood, you know, have to be 100% dry.
Yes.
And I just like it. I use beeswax to finish it, to sew the grain in it.
Nice, nice, nice. Man, I am impressed. I am impressed.
I take it.
Well done, well done. All the best, man.
Yes.
Good.
I always try to finish my piece.
Yeah, man. How can people contact you if they want to buy your product?
My number is 371
Yes.
3857
Yes.
487
Yes.
4371.
So that's 2 numbers.
Yes.
All right, great, man.
Yes.
All the best, my brother. Blessings.
God bless you.
Blessings,
I
blessings.
appreciate
Good,
it.
good, good. Guys, I'm with another of the artisans here. And your name, my brother?
My name is Mason.
Macy.
Mason.
Mason. All right, tell me about what you have here.
Well, I do sculpture like wall pieces and standing.
Yeah.
You know, made from cedar wood.
Made from cedar.
Yes.
So all of these stuff is yours.
All of these.
Oh, nice, nice. So tell me about one of your best ones, huh? Take up one of them and show me and tell me.
Well, that's over there. That's enough.
All right, take it up.
Yeah, that's a more family piece right here.
Oh, nice. So why is this one special to you?
Because it's a family, you know. All
Nice,
one
nice.
mother, daughter, and son.
So mother, I think mother.
Son, father, and daughter.
Oh, so this is the daddy over here, the bald head man.
Right.
And the lady.
Mother and
All right, nice, nice. How can people contact you if they want to buy your product?
Well, I got a number.
Phone number?
Yes. My number? 361
Yes.
8933.
All right, so guys, if you want to reach out to Mason, you put 876 in front of that and reach out to him to acquire any of his products here. They're looking good, I'm telling you. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm walking around the village and I'm at Utopia.
The vegan Utopia.
A vegan Utopia, and I'm with the proprietors here. So tell me about what you have here, my brother and sister.
Alright, so I'm Andre, and this is my wife Santana, and so together we started this business. So we're a vegan company, and that means that for those of you who don't know, we don't do animal products. So this is our cruelty-free line of products. There are no chemicals, no preservatives, or so on. We have our homemade plantain chips. That's right. Oh, yeah, sorry. Homemade plantain chips. Right, that's made by us. The design, everything, the packaging is chosen to be environmentally friendly, as you'll notice. And then we have our cashew cheese. So this is our cheese that's made from cashews. As I said, it's just cashews and natural ingredients in this.
Nice, nice.
Basically, the aim of our company is that we want to show people that healthy food doesn't have to taste bad. I know that's a major stigma in Jamaica, but it's totally not true, guys. Healthy food can taste amazing. Am I sure? Yes. This is how we live, because we're vegan, and this has been tried and tested by us, and then we were like, we need to export this to everyone else. So we're really concerned about the health of people. Diseases rampant. So I really want to show them that people who want to eat healthy are having a struggle. Give our stuff a try, and I'm sure you'll be convinced.
Congratulations, man, on what you're doing. I appreciate that too.
Thank you.
How can people contact you?
Alright, our phone number,
Yes.
559-7991. So they can WhatsApp us or call us.
Yeah.
And we're on Instagram as well.
Yeah.
So that's just at a Vegans Utopia on Instagram. So they can find us there as well. And then if they look around the page, they'll see all the products that we have, pictures of food that we make. Plus we've started our food delivery service. So that's restaurant food. We're doing service deliveries on Fridays.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much for your time, man.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Guys, I'm moving around the village and I'm stopping by another table here. I'm speaking with.
My name is Queen Izite Burhan. Queen I for short.
Tell me a little about what you have here.
Alright, so these are all handmade soaps. Coconut oil as the main ingredient in all of these soaps.
Okay.
We also have castor oil. There are some of them that are medicinal and some that can be used to maintain beautiful skin.
Well, show me a few of the best ones you have here and show.
They're all great. However, this one is from the sea. It's sea moss. And sea moss has about 92 different minerals out of the 102 that your body needs. So it's all the minerals from the sea for your beautiful skin.
So this is good for you?
Yes, it can be used for sunburns, it can be used for eczema skin, it can be used to exfoliate as well.
Okay.
And just a nice gel-like soap. All the bars, they go to the end. It's not that at the like when it's near done, you can't use it. You can use it right here.
Okay, great.
Alright.
Anything else you want to show?
Well,
okay, so
there's
now we're going
marijuana,
to be
there's coconut,
presenting
there's chocolate,
the mento band.
and there's
Yes.
the noni.
And
Noni
this is a
has
very,
natural
very important part of our music, a very important part of our
great
culture.
eczema.
And we're going to share that with you
So
in a
even
moment.
babies can
So we're going to ask you,
noni.
please,
It has
everyone,
no
if you can come to the
essential
center
oil.
stage while Larry Vine is letting themselves in.
Anata.
Yes, it's a natto. We used to, Jamaica itself used to export a natto to England to color cheddar cheese. What science has discovered is that it has this high amount of vitamin E amongst plants. So that makes it anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, wound healing as well. The Amerindians would put this on before going into battle. So the annatto is all healing.
Oh, wonderful. Well done. I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys helping to preserve the culture, the heritage. Yes, ma'am. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I wish you well. How can people contact you? If they're local or overseas?
The number is 4639727. That is also
and
a WhatsApp page, WhatsApp as well.
Yeah.
And
Email addresses. I see it on there as well.
Rastafari Indigenous Village at gmail.com.
Okay, great. Thank you. All the best. Guys, guess what? It's time for Mento Band at the Irits Rasta Indigenous Village. I'm going to be showing you some of that. Stay tuned.
When I met you, girl, you swept me off of my feet. And now you find somebody else. Oh, baby, you're supposed. Would I love you? Tell me why.
Pull up!
Walking on the road with a pistol in your way, Johnny, you too bad. Walking on the road with a rattle in your way, but Johnny, you too bad. You're gonna run to the wrong, give me no wrong, no wrong. You run to the wrong, or it's the bad, let me no wrong. One of the days, when you hear a bicycle, where you wanna run to? One of the days, when you hear a bicycle, are gonna run to. You're gonna run to the raw. There be no raw. You're gonna run to the raw. There be no raw. Yeah, man, give it together for your the vibes. Terrible, you man, name them, man. Give dance, man. Yes!
Guys, still at the Rasta Village. We're having a blast here. You hear the music in the background. Authentic Jamaica is on show.
Jamaica night, sunshine most of the time, and the vibe is laid back. Sensimania grows and cool rivers flow, and there's no snow. Still, I'm working my way home.
Alright guys, so it's getting a little bit late. I was just about heading out and then I realized I'm missing an important part of the village, the gift shop. And so I have
Ifana here.
Ifana. She's gonna tell me a little about what is here, what's on offer. So Ifana, nice meeting you again. Quickly tell me about what do you do here? What's the essence of here? What's the purpose of this gift shop here?
The purpose of our gift shop is to showcase Jamaica's authentic jewelry and other crafts.
Yes.
As you can see here, we have stuff made from coconut shell, cow horn, and even local crystal quartz.
Cow horn?
Yes. These are made from cow horn. These are all made from cow horn. These are Ponciana seeds. You would just normally throw those out.
Oh,
but
nice.
we have found use for them coconut shells.
Oh, nice.
These are also made from coconut. These are coconut. Remember, as children, when you saw dry sweet sap on the tree, you just throw it out.
Yes.
And these are sweet sap. Use them to make pendants, or people even use them as Christmas ornaments.
Oh, so what's here?
These are local seeds, and these are nickels, gray and yellow nickels. These are lucky seeds, drop tears, and these are the lucky seeds pods. These are the drunker beads on the pods right here. These are local crystals. These are all local crystal quartz, and we even infuse them with the seeds. So that's lucky seed on one side and crystal on the other side.
Cool.
These are cocoon, and these are cocoon on one side and crystal on the other. Crystal with sand and cocoon. This is even cocoon shell with the crystal on the inside.
Oh.
So we spend time doing our jewelry.
Yeah.
We have smoking tools, and these are made from coconut shell.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so it's a whole coconut and a half a coconut that is used to make these. These are made from lignum vitae.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
And what is this?
This is a smoking tool also. This is a chalice.
A chalice, okay.
Yes. So you put the hose inside here and you put the herb in here. Water goes in here and you light it right here.
Oh, hold on. Let me take a picture here, my friend. Alright, so this is a chalice, guys.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you. This is a horn as well.
Yes, that's made from the cow horn. So we
And
don't really support meat eating,
Yeah.
but people would throw the cow horns out. So we would give the cow horn a little bit more life to it.
Alright, and so this is a chillum pipe.
Yes, this is also a pipe. It's made from coconut shell, cow horn, and hardwood. You put the water on the inside. Water goes in here. You put the herbs in here and you pull it from this end.
Alright.
So this one is the steam chalice now. So this one, the herb doesn't burn. The herb is put way inside here.
you put this on top, it's called a gritty. Then you burn the coconut shell and you put it on the top here. So what happens is a condensation method. So the herb don't burn, you get vapors from the herb.
Oh, I see.
Right, so you put it on top of this. You put the hose inside here and you pull. So you gently pull this one. This one you don't take any big puff. It's just gentle strokes of pulling and you get a nice vibe from this one.
Okay, great. What else you have here? We won't be able to do everything, but I just want to highlight.
These are made from coconut shell. These are cups made from coconut shell. If you're a big drinker, you can have a good drink of coffee out of this
That one is for my friend Ariel.
Yeah, man. So, teacup and saucer, coconut shell, just the same. And what would we do without our teapot from the coconut shell?
Oh, nice. So this is just for decoration purposes?
No, man, it can be used.
Oh, for
yeah, man,
the
you
hot
can
water?
use it, yes, of course. And if you're cold outside, man, you get a nice, good Jamaican coconut wine glass, so you sip your red wine from that one.
Wow.
So if you notice inside, we don't put any shellac on the inside because it's usable.
Oh, nice. Oh, this is great stuff, guys.
And these are more
jewelry and ornaments and so on. Great, and I see you have clothing as well.
Yes. Oh.
And these are what?
These are local spices. So this is turmeric and ginger. It can be used in our Jamaican curry.
Okay.
Or you can use it as a tea. Okay. If you have poor circulation problem, turmeric is always good for diabetes and all those things. And this one is our allspice. This one you can use it in your favorite stews or soup or anything that you're cooking to give it that extra flavor.
Okay, great. You have crocus bag here.
Yes, and this is our signature for the iron station. That is a part of the village that I guess they came together as one, the iron station, and then they formed the Rasta Village. So.
Oh, nice.
So we have calabash bowls.
Oh, this is truly authentic. Well, and more clothes, crocus bag. Alright, great.
Handmade tams and shoes.
Alright, so there's something here for everybody. Right?
Yes.
Male, female, boy, girl. You sure? Yeah, I didn't say anything for any boy, girl. You sure? What you have for? Show me something, man. You have to show me something for the kids.
So we have the little dresses, rompers, and short suit for the boys.
Okay. And of course, they can also wear the jewelry, right?
Yes, and we have kids' shirts.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much. Oh, I love this dress. It's Jamaican. I like this one. Oh, that's nice.
These are all locally made dresses.
Okay, great. All right, well, I'm glad I stopped by before I run out here. I honestly didn't realize that you were on this side. So thank you so much. Your name again? Ifana, guys, say big up to Ifana.
Yeah, nice
Ifana,
meeting you. And remember, come to Rastafari Indigenous Village for all your authentic Jamaican wares.
Ifana, one more thing. You need to tell them your number or how you can be contacted.
If you want to contact us, you can come to Montego River Gardens at Portobello. Okay. Rasta Village is found there. Just take a trip across the river. It's cooling to your feet, your mind, body, and soul.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
thank
you for dropping by.
Thank you.
This island is fine, but it ain't my home. And my soul wants to go.
Show at the Rasta Indigenous Village here in St. James. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you share a comment. I'm waiting to hear. Thank you.